Here comes Ayo, driving that ball away. Ali Suleiman forward. And again, well read there by the defender Onyango Joash, 26-year-old from Gor Mahia. Shot one. Kindane. It's Kindane again. Kindane does well inside the D, and the goalkeeper goal! You just cannot believe this kind of poor goalkeeping. What a goal! Beautiful movement there. Robel Kindane. Solo effort goal there. Sweet, sweet goal. Awkward goalkeeping. Just look at this here from Robel Kindane. Look at him beat the two defenders there. And look at that, actually it ricochets off the striker Wamalwa Oscar. Yes, off Wamalwa Oscar into the back of the net. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Wamalwa Oscar has just granted Eritrea a goal. Well, they'll be very happy about the start of their side. But again, very good play. Collected calmly here by Eritrea. Now trying to attack. Look at the pace they attack with. Oh, look at this for chance for goal! Oh! Sweet, sweet, sweet! Abelok Bay! What a goal! My! Second goal of the competition from Abelok Bay. What a goal! What a goal! The goalkeeper out of his line. I don't know exactly what he was doing. Now this will be the goal of the tournament. This surely is the goal of the tournament. It's his second goal of the competition, Abe Okbe. Skills, skills, skills. Goalkeeper out of his line. What a goal. What a goal. Just look at the distance. What was the goalkeeper doing? Kenya 0, Eritrea 2. Abe Okbe is the name that is being celebrated here. It's in the Bible times, but it's not yet done. Hassan Abdallah goes down, it's a free kick. Coming in, sweat and see if Musa Masika can get the Kenyans back in play! It's a goal for Oscar Wamalwa. Kenya is back in this game. Oscar Wamalwa scores that goal that could be bringing back Kenya in this game. Eritrea looking a little confused right now. 3 goals in this semi-final. Oscar Wamalwa with his second goal of the day. One on the opposite side and the other on the other side. Kenya 1. Look at this from the free kick brought in by Muguna. Little header from Joash Onyango. Hits the post and comes back in play. And Wamalwa will be the one to demand. Let's actually watch this closely. Little slow there. But it will be going down to Wamalwa off the post there. Wamalwa here. Yeah, it's Wamalwa's goal. It's Wamalwa's goal. No doubt about that. Another interesting footballer, Dayden. Full of talent. Here they come again to deliver. What? 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 Super goal coming in from Michael. If there is a day that you've seen sweet goals, this is the day. Well, I thought that ball was going out, but the man Michael makes it Kenya 1, Eritrea 3. This is a day I will remember seeing goals I have never seen before, and the goalkeeper totally beaten. Odhiambo Samuel just cannot believe where goals are coming from. And look at this, easily gotten to the wing side, scooping, bam! Back of the net. Kenya 1, Eritrea 3. What a goal. What a goal. go again. Here comes Teklemaiko. It is Teklemaiko. Cross ball through. Goal! This is done and dusted. Robel Kindane makes it 4 to Eritrea and 1 to Kenya. What a game! Super sweet football. The Eritreans came with one thing in mind, and that was the final. And the final it is, that's where they are going. Robel Kindane makes it 4. Odhiambo Samuel surely has to close his eyes. What a game! 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 He will be very excited. Eritrea will be very excited. Surely, if there is any one way that football